Yeah, hey, 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 hey. It's Dream. Para bang talagang isa pang panibagong yugto, panibagong yugto ng pagmamahal, ikaw at ako. Hindi ko akalaing mapapaibig mo ang tulad ko sa tulad mo. Damn, kuha mo, mahal kita, mahal mo ko. Alam ko yan, walang iba sa puso ko. Ikaw lang ang nag-iisa, walang iba. Sa dinami-dami ng babae na nakita ko, ikaw lang ang kakaiba, ikaw lang nagpatibok nito. I don't really give a damn sa mga naiinggit. Hope your love for me is same, di kita pagpapalit, cause my love for you is insane. Mahal kita and that's true, binibining galing sa langit and that's you. Oh, nais kong malaman mo, that's ako, kasalanan mong mapaibig ang tulad ko. At nais kong malaman mo, wala nang hahanapin pang iba, kasi sa puso ko pangalan mo lang ang nakadikta.
Ikaw lang ang aking mahal, ikaw lang ang tanging isa. Sana tayo ay tumagal, wala nang hahanapin pa, ikaw lang at walang iba. Sana'y malaman mo kung gaano ka kahalaga. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal, ikaw lang ang tanging isa. Sana tayo ay tumagal, wala nang hahanapin pa, ikaw lang at walang iba. Sana'y malaman mo kung gaano ka kahalaga.
Since the day that you came, since the day that you say that you're falling in love with me, can't forget that day. And you know that I know our future will be happy. We'll be happy with 3 kids and they will call me daddy. Oh, I can realize that you are with me. How many years will it last? What it will be? 3 years or 4 years, I want it forevermore. I don't wanna get anymore, just make love in bed anymore. Oh, I love you baby, I love you Casey, my everything I see, my beautiful lady. You're the one I need, you're my life, my everything. Even though you are so strict, instead of fighting, let's just sit, let's just talk about it. Let this be a challenge for us, don't let this be a reason for breakup or margarita. I love you so much, I don't want to lose you, cause if that will happen, a reason for me to leave.